Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Krithika. In this video we're going to have a quiz. Let's begin. So, you'll have 10 seconds to complete each question. On your whiteboards, let's go. If you don't have a whiteboard, it's okay, use your rough book. Add 45,673 and 28,409. And the time starts now. I think your time's up. The answer is 74,482. Subtract 36,518 from 44,714. Time starts now. Okay, I believe your time's up. The answer is 8,196. If the sum of two numbers is 94,506 and the one number is 49,605, what is the other number? And the time starts now. I believe your time's up. The answer is 44,901. Is seen buys 25 stickers on Monday and 17 on Tuesday. If he gives 35 to his friend, how many stickers does he have left? And your time starts now. I believe your time's up. Total stickers bought is 20. 5 plus 17, 42. 42 minus 35 equals 7. Answer is 7. One vegetable patch has 22 vegetables. How many vegetables are there in 16 such patches? And your time starts now. I believe your time's up. Answer is 352. 22 into 16. Multiply 88 by 16. 6. Sorry. Time's up now. I believe your time's up. The answer is 528. Find the product of 54 and 8. Time starts now. I believe your time's up. Answer is 432. Total of 812 pens are divided equally among 4 friends. How many pens does each friend get? And your time starts now. Okay, I believe your time's up. Answer is 203. 812 divided by 4. If 981 chocolates are shared among 3 students equally, how many chocolates does each student get? And your time starts now. Answer is 327. Divide 729 by 9 and the time starts now. I believe your time's up. The answer is 81. Congratulations! How many did you get right? Tell me in the comment section below. Show me your calculations too.